The shortest video I ever make, but I gotta tell you a very quick and serious point. You and I, everyone is a person. We get a lot of ideas through the day. But many people get the idea and use it. Many people get idea, I gotta use it! And then they forget about it. Did this ever happen to you? Because it happened to me many times. So what you gotta do, I recommend you 24/7 having something next to your bed. For example, when you go to sleep, have a piece of paper and a pen. And when you get an idea, where you're trying to fall asleep, you get an idea, or maybe you were sleeping and you woke up, and you remember that one idea that was fucking genius. Take a paper, take a pen, write it down. Maybe you're showering, you get an idea. Get the fuck out of that shower! Grab your motherfucking phone, I know you got it with you probably, and you write the idea down on your notes. You're in school, you write it on your notes. On your phone, if you can't use the phone, write it in the last page of your fucking book. Write it somewhere. You write the idea, then you come home, you implement the idea, you think through the idea again, you make adjustments, you make improvements, and you add the idea to your everyday life. You maybe implement it, maybe it's a business idea, maybe it's a relationship idea, maybe it's whatever the fuck it is, write it down. So you will have it, so you will not forget it, and you can implement it and improve it. Stay smart. Also, there are a few times when you get the best ideas. That's like when you're trying to fall asleep, when you're having a shower, more like a hot shower, or maybe when you have alone time, you're having walks outside in the nature. These are probably the best times when you get ideas, and I recommend you have at least something like a notebook, or whatever the fuck. Like seriously, have a notebook with you, have something with you, bro. Just write it down, you know, the small ones or something like that, or a piece of paper or phone, notepads, whatever. Just write it down, and once you get home, you're gonna remember it, read it again, improve it, and you can implement it and make it very fucking good and awesome. I'm gonna tell you one thing now that you maybe didn't know, and why this is so true is because even the great people like Albert Einstein himself got the idea for the formula when he was asleep, and then he woke up, grabbed a piece of bloody paper and a pen and wrote it down, wrote the idea down. And so should you. Stay hard. See you on the next video. Comment down below whatever you want to hear, and yes, see you on the next one, bro. Ciao.